Vanakkam, hello viewers. Now in this video I share about the simple problem related to issue of shares, and this is the problem. Amar Limited Company issued 10,000 numbers of equity shares of rupees 10 each, payable rupees 1 on application, rupees 2 on allotment, rupees 3 on first call, and rupees 4 on final call. All shares were subscribed and amounts duly received. Past journal entries in the books of the company. The company issued 10,000 equity shares. So all the shares were subscribed by the general public and pay all the amount, which means all the shareholders pay rupees 1 on allotment and rupees 1 on application, and rupees 2 on allotment, and rupees 3 on first call, and rupees 4 on final call. Okay, this is a problem related to issue of shares at par, because the equity shares face value is rupees 10 and the shareholders pay the amount in each and every stage. You sum up the every stages of the amount will equal to rupees 10. So we can easily identify that it's a problem related to issue of shares at par, which means face value. And now we see the solutions. Yeah, the first one is the company received the application money. Yeah, bank account tar to share application account. This one is the narration. Being share application money received on 10,000 shares, application money is rupees 1 per share. So the amount totally to be debited and credited is rupees 10,000. And the next one is those amount transferred to share capital account. When the company received the share application money, those amount are transferred to share capital account. So for that purpose, the company will make the entry, which means share application account tar to share capital account. The amount is rupees 10,000. And the next one is allotment due on 10,000 share, and the allotment money for one share is rupees 2. Here the entry is share allotment account tar to share capital account. The amount to be debited and credited is rupees 20,000. And the next one is share allotment money received for 10,000 shares, rupees 2 per share. Here the entry is bank account tar to share allotment account. And simply we all know that in which circumstances the company receive the amount, we simply debit the bank account, and for what purpose the company receive the amount, that purpose will be credited. So here bank account debit and share allotment account credit. And the next one is share first call amount due for 10,000 shares at rupees 3 per share. Here the entry is share first call account tar to share capital account, which means for first call due. And the last one, the next one is the customer or the shareholders pay the money for first call. So here the entry is bank account tar to share first call account. Here the amount is 10,000 shares, rupees 3 per share. So the total amount is 30,000. The final call due on 10,000 shares at rupees 4 per share. Here the entry is share final call account tar to share capital account. Here the company make the due amount After that, the shareholders pay for that due, and the final entry is bank account debtor to share final call account. Here the amount is 10,000 shares at rupees 4 per share. Thank you.